how to adjust your ball valve in the toilet cistern. First of all, take the toilet cistern lid off. This ball valve is a Part 4 equilibrium ball valve, which I installed brand new the other week. It's very simple to adjust the water level in it. All you simply do, this little plastic cup, you can twist the top of it as such. You can twist it either way to allow more water to come in, or you can twist it back and it will stop the water. I try to have this as low as possible, because even if you save half a litre per flush, that soon adds up. If your toilet's ever leaking, and it's one of these, most toilets, you can see the cistern, such as with this one. Underneath it, there'll be a little hose with the little slotted ball valve. You simply insert your slotted screwdriver, turn it. As you can see, the water's stopped. Turn it back, and the water's begun again. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.